How to remove photos from Google Photo. Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna let you know the ways to remove photos from Google Photos. So to do this, you could go ahead and open up your Google Photos app first thing first, and then you could go ahead and to remove the photos, let's say I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Here what you can do is press the bin icon at the bottom and click on move to bin. Once you've deleted, you can see that there is no other items that you've recently like not deleted. So if you wish to delete it, press the bin icon, and here you go that the photos has been deleted. Now to delete it completely, you need to go to the collections and then go to bin. This photo will remain here for 60 days or 30 days, and then to delete it permanently, go and select it just like that. Once you've selected all of these, and to delete it, click the delete button at the bottom. You can see the photo has been deleted permanently. So this way you could remove photos from Google Photo. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.